Ever pondered the profound synergy between the ancient practice of yoga and the cultivation of emotional balance and overall well-being? Yoga for emotional balance and wellness isn't just about physical postures, it's an exploration of how yoga can be a transformative journey towards emotional harmony, fostering mental wellness and promoting a fulfilling life. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of healthy living. We all know how essential it is to take care of our bodies and minds, and in this video, we've got some fantastic tips and insights to help you lead a healthier, happier life. So, if you're ready to embark on this journey towards a more vibrant you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so you won't miss any of our valuable content. How can the union of breath, movement, and mindfulness in yoga become a powerful tool for emotional balance? Let's embark on a captivating journey into the world of yoga and its profound impact on emotional well-being. Yoga is more than just a physical exercise, it's a holistic practice that integrates the mind, body, and spirit. At its core, yoga encourages mindfulness, deep self-awareness, and an exploration of the emotional landscape. The practice of yoga is a reminder that emotional balance is not only about managing your feelings but also about understanding and embracing them. The art of yoga begins with the breath. Pranayama, or yogic breathing techniques, teaches you to control your breath consciously. Deep, intentional breathing has the power to soothe the nervous system, reducing stress and anxiety, and promoting emotional equilibrium. The physical postures, or asana, in yoga are a vehicle for emotional release. Through yoga, you learn to listen to your body, understand its tensions and knots, and gradually release stored emotions. The physical movement involved in yoga asana can help you process and let go of emotional baggage. Yoga practice fosters self-acceptance and compassion. It invites you to meet yourself on the mat without judgment, to recognize your strengths and limitations, and to embrace your authentic self. This act of self-compassion is integral to emotional well-being. Meditation and mindfulness are pivotal components of yoga that nurture emotional stability. By training your mind to focus on the present moment, you create a space to observe your thoughts and emotions. This practice empowers you to respond to challenging situations with greater calmness and equanimity. Yoga is a profound stress reducer. As you practice regularly, your body becomes more adept at managing stress, releasing tension, and relaxing the nervous system. This reduces the emotional toll of stress, paving the way for mental well-being. Yoga also cultivates emotional resilience. Through the challenges and discomfort of certain poses, you learn to remain steady and balanced. This transfer of resilience from the mat to your daily life helps you navigate emotional ups and downs with grace and poise. In conclusion, yoga for emotional balance and wellness is an invitation to explore the profound impact of yoga on emotional equilibrium and overall well-being. It's a reminder that yoga is not just a physical practice but a path to emotional healing and self-discovery. By incorporating yoga into your life, you can cultivate emotional balance, reduce stress, and promote mental wellness, ultimately contributing to a fulfilling and harmonious life. So, with each yoga practice, envision it as an opportunity to enhance your emotional well-being, creating a space for inner peace, resilience, and emotional balance, one mindful breath and pose at a time. As we wrap up this video on healthy living, remember that making small, positive changes in your daily routine can lead to significant improvements in your overall well-being. We hope you found this information useful and inspiring. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family. Together, we can all strive for a healthier, happier, and more fulfilling life. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.